So this time I'm going to show it to you how to make this butterfly applique. Okay, and get ready with your yarn. You can use one color if you wish, or you can use the two colors, the one that you like as a combination. I'm using this DMC baby blue, the cotton, and then also this is the mesmerized cotton mixed with the fiber mixture. Okay, I will start with the white one first, and then after that the yellow. So the butterfly can be made with the two colors. This is what I'm going to do. So I will start in the middle one. I will start with the white, and then outer is the yellow one. Okay, and then you can play with the color that you like, color combination, not necessary with the one that I have. Okay, and okay, grab your yarn, any type of yarn that you like, any colors, and then also the size of the hook that matching through your yarn. Mine, and I'm using 2mm hook. Okay, to start we will do the slip knot. Let me remove this one, otherwise too busy on the screen. Okay, slip knot, make a slip knot, and then you will do the chains of 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you will do the slip stitch to the first chains that you make. Insert your hook, yarn over, and then yarn over. That is your first, that is your circle. Okay, and then we will work through the center of this circle. So the first thing that we will do is chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 3, and then you will do the 1 double crochet into that circle, like that. Okay, double crochet, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and you will do double crochet into the same circle, 1 and then 2. Okay, chain 2, and again you will do 2 double crochet into that circle, 1 and then 2. And you will keep continue doing chains 2 and then 2 double crochet until you have in total 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, and you will need to do 5 more, and I'll see you when you reach there. Okay, so I have 8 already, so let me repeat. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Before you we do the slip stitch, you need to change to 1 and 2, and then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 that we made in the beginning. You do the slip stitch. Okay, and then we're going to change color. So to change color we need to fasten up the first one. So chain 1 and cut your yarn. Okay, so like that. And before we continue, I suggest you to do the secure your tails to the back of the stitch. It will make your life easier later on. This is random, you can stitch it as long as you can't see it and save. Okay, So secure your tail, and this one I will just cut it because it's already secure like that. So we are done with that. Now I'm going to start with a different color. Grab your other colors. If you want to use the one color without changing, you don't cut your yarn, okay? You don't fasten up, and you keep continue using the same color. Now I will attach it to the one of here. You remember that is chain 2 and then 2 double crochet, and then I will start anywhere, and then in the middle of the between of the 2 double crochet. Okay, I'll grab my yarn and then tie 1 or 2. I think for this one is 1 time is more than enough, and then at the same time I'm insert and holding this tail as I'm going to hiding it in between the stitch. So yarn over and chain 1, okay? And then what I will do next is doing the slip stitch to the next one, to the chain 2 space, and I chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then I will do 5 more double crochet into that same space. So this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3, 4 and then 5. So in total I have 6, including the chain 3 that we did in the beginning, okay? And then I will do the single crochet to the between of this. So insert your hook to that middle of the double crochet and single crochet, and then yarn over, insert your hook to that space, yarn over the first 2 and yarn over the second 2. That is the first double crochet, and then you will do another 5. So in total you will have 6 double crochet. So that is 3, 4 and then 5 and 6. Okay, this is your second, and then insert your hook to the middle of the double crochet and then single crochet. Okay, and then as you notice I keep bringing up my tail, so it will be sewing in between. So again, yarn over, insert your hook to that space, yarn over the first 2, yarn over the second 2. That is my first double crochet, and then I will do another 5 double crochet. So that is 2, this is 3, 4 and then 5. So in total 6. Again I will do single crochet to the in the between of the 2 double crochet, and then you keep repeating, doing exactly the same until you reach here. So I have completed the 6 double crochet into the 8 space. It's if you notice, it's kind of fluffy like that. It's not a problem, do not worry about that. So what we're going to do the next is you're going to insert your hook to the first chains that you do, the first one underneath. Okay, insert your hook to that space and then at the same time, and you remember you have 8 petals, and then you will matching it 2 by 2 and then 2 by 2. So what I mean by that, when you flip it over or folding it like this, and then you will know that these 2 match with the other 2. Okay, and same goes to the other side, the 2 and mix with the other 2. So you kind of folding it. So remember, you insert, let me repeat, you insert your hook to that space underneath of the chain string in the beginning, and then at the same time you will go through and find and matching it that inline both sides like that, and then you will insert your hook through the other side where you do the single crochet in between. Okay, like that, and grab your yarn and then you do the single crochet like that. Okay, so this is to secure between the 2 like that. It's making the form as the butterfly. Okay, both sides. Now what we're going to do next is we will do the chains of 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now what we will do is turn it like that all around and coming back to the other side. So you need to kind of pull it tight like that until you reach to the other side. Okay, and then you will insert your hook to that space where you started in the beginning. Okay, and then yarn over, you will do the slip stitch like that. Okay, and then you are done. You see, like that, and then chain 1, and then you will cut your yarn, pull it through and pull it tight, and you are done with your butterfly. And you just need to make it same like this. This is from the side, this is from the back, the other side like that. Okay, I don't know if in this color or that color is you can see better in the camera. Okay, so now you will secure this tail through the inside to not visible. So I will bring it this one inside. So I will just go here and then insert my hook, my needle to that part. Okay, and grab my tail and pull it through. So I'm hiding it inside. Now I will cut my tail. Done. So this is the butterfly look like. Okay, now we're going to add the one in the middle, these 2. So it's very simple. I will be using the same color as the yellow one. So what I will do, this one, I will grab it and make a knot to the corner. Okay, like that. So I will just cut this fiber. And you know what, I'll cut it, I'll make it the new one. So grab it and making the knot on the edge, and I'll cut it later on, or I'll cut it now, like not too close to it. Done. So at the same time I will cut, so I just measure how long do I need for this, like that. I think this size is okay. Before I cut it, I want it that way, so I'll add a little bit more, like that. Okay, before I cut it, I will grab my hook, insert my hook to that part in the middle, and grab my yarn and pull it through to that part. Okay, so this one, leave it up until the length that you wish to have, like that. Okay, I think it's too long. I'll make it, pull it a bit shorter. So what I will do next is grab the other corner and making the knot. I will get the help from the hook. It's much easier to pull it through, so you can grab it to closer to it. Okay, so what I will do is cutting the metallic part is kind of challenging, so I will cut it not too close to it, so like that. Okay, I think I will cut my metallic part because it's making the thread is kind of straight. That one is better, like that. Okay, so we are done. So this is how the butterfly look like, and you can play with different color as you wish. And then the last, I will show it to you how to place all these applique into the box. Okay, I'll see you soon.